Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin just flash crashed, dropping 7% from $105,000 to $97,000 in just 11 hours. What caused this dramatic move? There are rumors circulating that Binance is engaging in liquidation hunting, while concerns over Chinese AI technology like DeepSeek being cheaper and more advanced than US alternatives have spooked global markets. This fear didn't just hit crypto. Stocks and indices like the NDQ, SPX, and even gold saw sharp declines. Now, I was traveling during this time, which is why there wasn't a video yesterday. Apologies for that. But if we take a closer look at the heat map, something stands out. Starting on the evening of the 26th, the hottest level on the one-week heat map was clearly at $101.1 thousand, with over $460 million in liquidation leverage sitting there. This level was essentially a magnet for the market. Instead of pushing prices up towards the $107,000 to $110,000 range, which I initially thought was more likely, the market makers chose to dump the price to the downside. I took advantage of this dip to lower my entry price on open positions. My entries, which were previously in the $105,000 to $104,000 range, are now at $103,000. I'm still holding and expecting the market to move higher. I'm watching for liquidations to occur above $107,000, potentially pushing prices into the $110,000 range. As of this recording, Bitcoin has bounced twice from the horizontal support level at $98.6 thousand, and we're now targeting new upside levels. My immediate targets are $101.5 thousand, $103.5 thousand, and back to $105,000 and above. I'll keep you updated as the situation unfolds. If you want real-time updates, make sure to join the free Discord. Link is in the description. Also, if you found this video helpful, please like it. It really helps. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss an update. And see you in the next one.